Good morning, everyone. So our lesson for today is about changing our fractions to percents. Let's have here a visualization kung anong itsura nun. So, anong fraction part netong nasa picture natin? We know that it is out of 100. So, how many yung na-occupy out of 100? So we have here, I know this is 10, 20, 30, 7. So it is 37 out of 100. And since that's 37 out of 100, kapag ginawa natin yung percent, since ang percent ay per 100, pwede natin yung sabihin na it's 37%. Easy, right? If it's out of 100. Paano naman kung may fraction si teacher na 64 out of 100? What percent would that be? That would be 64% because 64 per 100 or 64%. Okay? So, it's easy to change fractions to decimals if it's per 100. Okay? Kapag yung ating fraction ay out of 100. Okay? Pero, paano naman if we have this situation? I have here, how many parts do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 parts. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7. So it is 7 out of 10. Paano natin siya gagawing fraction kapag hindi naman siya out of 100? It's just out of 10. What do we need to do? Okay? So, we need to change this out of 10 into 100. So, paano si 10 magiging 100? Ano ang kailangan nating i-multiply kay 10 para maging 100? So, we need to multiply 10 para maging 100 into 10. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin dito sa baba, tandaan gagawin natin sa taas kasi magtatampo yun na sa taas. So, dito din, mumultiply din natin siya by 10. So, that would be 70 because 7 multiplied by 10 or 10, 7 is 70. Now, we have out of 100. Since it's already out of 100, it's easy to change it into a percent. So, 70 out of 100 is equals to 70%. So, we have here 1/4. Paano natin gagawing percent si 1/4? First thing we need to do is we need to make it out of 100. So, we need to make it out of 100 para madali natin siya maging percent. So, anong kailangan natin gawin para si 4 ay maging 100? So, si 4 ay mumultiply natin kay 25. So, kapag meron kayong 25 cents, kapag apat na 25 cents, piso na yan. Okay, so same thing with 25. Kapag apat, 100 na siya. So, kung anong ginawa natin dito sa baba, gagawin din natin sa taas. So, this would be times or multiplied by 25. 1 times 25 would be 25. Now, we already have 25 hundreds. So, kaya na natin siyang gawing percent. So, what is our answer? So our answer would be 25%. 25 per cent or per 100 is equals to 25%. Okay? Now, let's move on to 5th. Ano naman gagawin natin kay 2/5? Because our first thing we need to do is make it into 100. Over 100. Para madali natin siyang gawing percent. Para magawa natin yon, kailangan natin mag-isip, ano yung multiply natin kay 5 para maging 100? So, ang imumultiply natin kay 5 is how many? 20. 20 is equals to 100. So, kung anong ginawa natin dito sa baba, ganun din sa taas. So, imumultiply natin yung taas ng 20. So, 2 times 20 or dalawang 20 is equals to 40. Okay, now, we have 40 out of 100 or 30 per 100. Madali na natin siyang gagawing percent. That would be 40%. Okay? Okay, last one. 7 out of 25. What do we need to do? Make it out of 100. Now, in order to make it out of 100, ano ang imumultiply natin kay 25 para maging 100? Si 25 para maging 100, just like dun sa unahan, imumultiply natin siya sa 4. So, kailangan ng 4 na 25 para maging 100. And then, same thing na gagawin natin dito sa taas, we will multiply it by 4. So, 7 times 4 or 7, 4 na 7 is 28. Now, we have 28 out of 100 or 28 per 100. So, ang ating percent ay 28%. Okay? So, this is how we change fractions to percent kapag yung ating mga fraction ay it's not yet out of 100. Okay? So, we need to change it first into out of 100 para mas madali natin siyang gawing percent. Okay? So, thank you for listening.